Hello. So, the cutting board. So many options. Wood, plastic, stainless steel. What do you go with? We're gonna go with some bamboo. So these are phenomenal. Made with bamboo. Woodenhouse did send these over to me to try out and provide some feedback. I just want to make sure everybody understands that. But want to open up and check them out. So this comes in 3. It's got some other colors, different options. It's beautifully wrapped there. But they got dark wood, this bamboo, and I think they have a lighter, I don't know what color it would be, but like the kind of more of a yellowish color. But anyway, so we got that. I dropped some of the notes here. So use and care, and then VIP membership, 20% off. That's cool. Use and care. So these are wood. So I'm guessing, no, they're not dishwasher safe. Yeah. So do not use in the dishwasher. Hand wash, warm soapy water, rinse, clean. Store dry, avoid soaking for long periods of time. After several uses, apply natural mineral oil. That'd be great to maintain the natural beauty. Surface gets rough, sand it with 320 grit sandpaper. That's good to know too. Do not use hard material to clean the product. So it says do not use steel, like steel wool, I'm guessing. That is super cool though. All right, so the product itself comes with a holder here, and we got 3 different sizes. We got the 9x6 is this one, and they all have the little like juice groove. I don't know what the official name is there, but and it's got a pretty awesome little logo that's like pressed in there. All right, and then we've got the 12x8 coming up here. Nice. What is this? Oh, this is a grip for underneath there, it looks like. Nice. Little extra one there. All right, and then we got the big one, 15x10. So, I mean, I think that's pretty awesome. So they're all sturdy. We'll kind of look at one a little more detail here. Pretty sturdy, smooth to the touch for sure. They mentioned in the care instructions to do mineral oil. I've got perfect mineral oil for that. So good to know, nothing out of the norm as far as taking care of the wood. And then, you know, cleaning with just warm soapy water. You can see here, it's got, looks like 3 different pieces that are pressed. Definitely bamboo on the outside, probably bamboo on that middle one too. But anyway, it is a beautiful color. Looks like it's gonna fit great, and I like it. It's pretty nice. Yeah, so the handles are kind of routed out too, so you can pick them up. You don't have to like try to reach underneath, which is actually great. Hadn't thought about that before. But when you have kind of those glass ones or even the plastic ones, sometimes they don't have like a groove or something where you can get in there. So you gotta like kind of wedge your fingers underneath there to get them. So, all right. Well, I think this is a pretty awesome addition to any kitchen there. Yeah, check them out. Again, a few different colors. Woodenhouse cutting boards. These are made with bamboo. Super sturdy. And the holder, here, let's do a quick look at the holder there. Bounce out. One thing I do like there is it's got like kind of drainage holes. In case water, you put it in there, so you can put it in there to dry, I'm guessing. And then it'll like air out everything, so good deal. So I will actually, I'm probably gonna put mineral oil on the base as well, just to make sure everything is treated correctly. So, all right, try them out.